Petal Car Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume selling a car online is complicated or risky, but Petal makes it fast, simple, and transparent. Petal is an online platform that allows users to sell cars, trucks, and SUVs quickly. One standout feature is its instant online quote tool. By entering your vehicle information, you get a real-time offer, which you can accept and schedule a pickup. Payment is usually completed within a few business days. Most people assume online offers are low. The surprising truth is Petal compares multiple buyers to ensure competitive pricing. Offers are based on market data, vehicle condition, and demand, so you often get more than you would through traditional private sales. Another advantage is convenience. You don't need to list your car, handle inquiries, or negotiate with buyers. Petal also takes care of paperwork, including title transfer in most states, reducing stress and legal risk. However, there are some considerations. The best offers typically go to vehicles in good condition with clear titles. Cars with major damage or lien issues may receive lower quotes or require additional steps. In conclusion, Petal is an efficient and reliable way to sell your car with minimal hassle. Its instant quotes, secure transactions, and paperwork handling make it a smart choice for anyone looking to sell quickly. Subscribe for more honest auto sales platform reviews before selling your next vehicle.